what I collect is meant to be, it's ephemera. It's meant to last a short time, a campaign, a week, 2 weeks, like something put out this week. If there's a leaflet printed this week, it's only meant to last till Friday. This was the main image, the main poster in '83 from the thing. So immediately, you know, this amendment could kill women. If you believe the life of a woman is more important than that of a fertilised egg, if you believe that women should be offered safe contraception, that the physical and mental health of a rape victim matters, that the views of one's religious denomination should not be enshrined in our constitution, that we should solve existing social problems rather than brush them under the carpet, vote no to the amendment. And then immediately you've leaflets out. Can abortion ever save the woman's lives? No, is the answer, according to this. And it's the same in that one group will say one thing, the other will say another, and they'll be backed up by facts, or they'll be backed up by stats. And that's the mad thing, the thing about today, in that in '83 and indeed in 1992 there was no internet. So you have to go, if you know, this study, that study, they could be quoted. You'd have to go to a library or ring a cousin in the States who has access to a library to find out were these figures true. Okay, this is from 1992. It's from the pro-life, co-issued by the Pro-Life Campaign and Youth Defence. It's asking for a no, no, no. So no to the main issue, which was rolling back the X case, no to travel, and no to information. The word travel is being used, cowardly politicians and others, to cover up a violent, vicious killing of defenceless Irish babies by English doctors. The pro-life movement challenges those, especially politicians, who are hiding behind the word travel, to come out and state their intent, i.e. sending Irish children to be murdered in England. And if you vote for this, English abortion clinics will advertise here in Ireland. You will be looking at huge advertisements on television, in newspapers, in magazines, on hoardings, in the streets, bus stops, etc. Agents for clinics here touting for customers. This is from Democratic Left. And it's just very interesting in that you had a kind of a different, rather than the mother and baby, you had mother and teenage daughter on the front. So you had the X case after happening, or thing, the X case judgment. Everyone started, because it was a 14-year-old girl, everyone started thinking of their, like back to Savita, every husband was thinking about their wives, or thinking about their sisters, daughters, or their mums, or whatever. Okay, voter beware. Okay, look, if you vote yes to abortion, you commit a grave sin and risk going to hell. For what? For Albert Reynolds? The Supreme Court judges who approved abortion in the X case committed the mortal sin of murder. The voice of your brother's blood cries out to me from the earth. And so on and so on. This is from the Dublin Abortion Information Campaign. So they were looking for a no, a yes and a yes. So a no to this attempt to reverse the Supreme Court ruling. It allowed a 14-year-old girl pregnant by the rapist the right to have an abortion rather than face suicide. The proposed wording would condemn such women to death. Vote yes to the right to travel. 5,000 do each year, but at present they can be stopped. Vote yes to allow women information on abortion and counselling on all the options in a crisis pregnancy. It's quite similar. It really is quite similar because, again, it's the same sides. It's the same messages. One side is about women and one side is about babies.